Welcome to another episode of General Knowledge Quiz, the show where you can test your knowledge and learn new facts. I'm going to ask you some fun and challenging questions on various topics. Are you ready to play? Let's begin! Question number 1. Which planet is famous for its magnificent rings? The correct answer is letter D. Saturn is known for its beautiful and intricate ring system. These rings are made up of ice particles, rocks, and dust, creating a stunning celestial spectacle. Question number 2. Which animal is known for its ability to change color? The correct answer is letter A. Chameleon have the unique ability to change the color of their skin based on their mood, temperature, and surroundings. This helps them blend into their environment or communicate with other chameleons. Question number 3. Which musical instrument is known as the king of instruments? The correct answer is letter B. The piano is often referred to as the king of instruments due to its versatility and wide range of musical possibilities. It is an integral part of classical and contemporary music. Question number 4. What is the largest continent in the world? The correct answer is letter C. Asia is the largest continent both in terms of land area and population. It is home to diverse cultures, languages, and geography. Question number 5. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The correct answer is letter C. Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas, is the highest mountain on Earth, with its peak reaching a staggering 29,029 feet above sea level. Moving on to number 6. Which country is known for its pyramids? The correct answer is letter A. Egypt is famous for its ancient pyramids, built as tombs for pharaohs. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the most iconic and the only remaining wonder of the ancient world. Question number 7. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? The correct answer is letter D. Neil Armstrong became the first person to set foot on the moon on July 20, 1969, as part of the Apollo 11 mission led by NASA. Question number 8. What is the largest species of shark? The correct answer is letter C. The whale shark is the largest species of shark and the largest fish in the ocean. Despite their size, they are gentle filter feeders, feeding on plankton and small fish. Question number 9. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? The correct answer is letter B. Albert Einstein is the scientist credited with developing the theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space and time. Lastly, which continent is known as the land down under? And the correct answer is letter D. Australia is known as the land down under because it is located in the southern hemisphere and is geographically below many other countries. Congratulations on completing the quiz. How many correct answers did you get? Keep expanding your knowledge and have fun learning.